While the FDA recommends a booster shot for some Americans, health leaders are still pushing for people to get their first doses. Tonight, Alex Littlehales looks at the latest vaccination numbers and why they might be different based on your race and where you live.
Millions of vaccines in the arms of Virginians. Almost 8 of every 10 Virginians have at least one dose of an available COVID vaccine. That totals more than 5.5 million people in the Commonwealth, but large portions of some populations still remain unvaccinated.
We're talking about traditions that Black communities have had forever, and they're holding on to those traditions opposed to trusting the government's vaccine. So amongst my community, it's very split.
According to the Virginia Department of Health, these are the vaccination rates of white, Black, and Latino populations of those eligible in the first place, 56, 51, and 65% respectively. But those numbers may be different at the local level. Take the 7 cities of Hampton Roads. You can actually see those numbers drop across both white and minority communities.
They would rather not have a vaccine because they don't trust where that vaccine came from.
Dr. Narkita Sparkman-Key is the director of faculty diversion at Old Dominion University. She says historical mistrust of the government among Black and underserved communities can explain this vaccination gap health leaders are trying to overcome.
Passed along generation and generation with this and created this lack of trust in health care providers and in the government. Very leery of this, and it's a cultural thing.
In Norfolk, Alex Littlehales, 13 News Now.
Virginia's averaging almost 15,000 vaccinations a day.